Hi everyone, welcome back to RachandBellaCrafts. Rachel here. So I had an email from a company called Grabie, I hope that's how you say it, a few weeks ago, and they asked me if I would test some of their products for you guys and would show you some of the things that they do. I was able to select what I wanted to test. So these are the products that I have been sent. So I'm going to share those with you in a second. Now there is a discount code. If you would like to purchase anything from their store, that's entirely up to you. But just for you to know, for your benefit, there is a code there. Should you wish to go and have a little look. So if you do, make sure you use the discount code so you have money off. All right. But yeah, I'm just going to show you what they've sent me. So first of all, this is the card with a code. Okay. And then I've got this lovely little "May the art be with you." I like that. That's very funky. So I'm going to put that by there. Now, I selected these paintbrushes specifically because they are ergonomic. I think that's the right word. But basically, they will fit rather nicely in my finger when I'm holding them. So it's a nice grip. But because I do struggle, because for those who don't know, I do have rheumatoid arthritis, and my hands do get a bit... Sometimes they get a bit hot when I'm doing things, especially when I'm filming, but to be able to hold that comfortably, that is quite nice. So yeah, I'm looking forward to having a go with them. That's the largest brush there. And then that is the very, very, very fine one there. So that's the brushes. There, back in order. And then this, which I cannot get over the side, so let's just give it this box. This is a beautiful watercolour set. Now, what does it say on the back? Oh, it doesn't say anything on the back. Right, okay. I'm just going to give you a little bit of a... But it's probably inside. Oh, this is nice. Look at this. Sorry, am I in frame? Ooh, look at these. Now, can you see now why I chose this set? They are metallic watercolours. How cool are they? I love them. So I can't wait to have a go with those. There is a pencil in there, a soft rubber, another brush, and also then one of these cool... I love these new brushes, by the way. I had one with a set I had recently. I've got to get it out now. And you put the water in there, don't you? And it keeps the brush wet. So there we go. So that is the set of metallic, I can't get my words up today, metallic watercolours. So I'm going to get some paper in a sec. I'm going to have a little go and I can show you then some of the colours. But yeah, they have come from Grabie. I hope I'm saying that right now because it sounds ridiculous otherwise, won't it? And yeah, if you want to have a look at anything on this shop, make sure you use the discount code and then you'll have a bit of money off. All right. So I'm going to go and grab some paper and I shall show you then how they come out. But I will probably do that to some lovely music for you. So you want to listen to me gabbling on. Okay? Won't be a moment.